We're solving problem 15 from the 2024 AMC 12B. A triangle in the coordinate plane has vertices A, log sub base 2 of 1, comma, log base 2 of 2, B, log base 2 of 3, log base 2 of 4, and C, log base 2 7, comma, log base 2 8. What is the area of the triangle ABC? So here, we see here, this is the desired triangle, but we can't really solve for that area because doing so means that we would have to solve for the sides, and then that would just be too complicated. So we can draw a right triangle, and then we can just subtract the areas of triangles 1, 2, and this rectangle right here. So the way we do this is we can just start considering the side lengths because they are pretty simple. If we look at triangle 1, let's just calculate the area of this whole right triangle, because you take the area of the whole right triangle and subtract the parts that we don't need. So then this would be total, or just ABC. No, just total. We know that the sides are, so point C has an x-coordinate of log base 2 of 7, whereas point A has an x-coordinate of 0. Therefore, the change in x over this triangle, or the total length of this section, would be a log base 2 of 7. The height would then be, so from point A, we have log base 2 of 2, which is 1, to log base 2 of 4, which is 2, and log base 2 of 8, which is 3. So the height increases 2 times by 1 each time, so the height is 2. And the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the side lengths, so this would be log base 2 of 7, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So then we can start calculating the areas of triangle 1 and 2. So if we look at triangle 1, we see that, well, from this visual description, it helps us visualize things, but the distance from A to B is log base 2 of 3, while the change in height is simply 1. So therefore, the area for triangle 1 will be 1/2 log base 2 of 3, or log base 2 of square root 3. Now, move on to triangle 2. We see that it has a distance from point B to point C on the x-axis. So the total distance would be log base 2 of 7 minus log base 2 of 3, which gets us log base 2 of 7/3. And then the change in height is 1. So the total area of triangle 2 will be 1/2 of log base 2 of 7/3. So this is log base 2 of square root 7 over square root 3. Now the rectangle, I'll abbreviate in RECT. We get that the area of this rectangle, well, the rectangle has the same length as triangle number 2, which is log base 2 of 7/3. Change in height is 1. So area is log base 2 7/3. Then the total desired area ABC would be total area, which is log base 2 of 7, minus log base 2 of square root 3, minus log base 2 square root 7 square root over square root 3, and then subtract another log base 2 of 7/3. All this will come out and give you log base 2 of 3 over square root 7. And that is the area of triangle ABC.